want to get the check in Joe. I haven't heard it.
No, wait a minute. Do you mean the Bruce Springsteen cover that Joe did? Oh, God. All right. I'll tell you what a request. How about right after the
From the middle of the road.
Okay. And then about towards my township, I don't know if what was happening on my road, but they would choose to come to our roads at the dead end. Even they for example, the list was this week.
One more second, can you?
I just got fed up and I called and said, can you at least put the salt down? And they came on and put the salt down. They don't come on at all.
Well, we already said the 10 you were calling first. Is it Piscataway you're talking about?
Yeah.
Stuck to my head.
Okay. Okay, Nick, listen to this. My in-laws live in Piscataway. My wife grew up there.
You got your blueberry brandy, your whiskey or whatever with you?
Because just a couple of minutes ago at 2:30,
What?
I got this text from my father-in-law. It says,
Somebody spun out.
recorded phone message
Now she's digging herself out.
stating that they will not plow.
You know what? I'd help you out, but you're a jackass for fucking driving it anyway. This guy always has snowblowers and shit for sale too.
Yeah.
Before they will plow. According to my father-in-law, Piscataway actually sent out a recorded phone message to the citizens.
Another dumbass.
So I completely believe what you're saying.
You know she ain't gonna work. She wasn't dressed.
She's coming home. It's not even plowed in there. It hasn't even been touched. Look, it's not even touched, dude. See that? Don't even touch the road on the side here. Oh, they did. This road they did. No, they didn't.
They're the
People
same
just made-
owners as you.
That's Emerald Apartments?
That's their, yeah, they're the same owners.
That hot piece of shit place is?
Yeah. That's all Section C.
Yeah, they changed. It used to be Section 8. They made something different.
Oh, Section 8, yeah, it's that the government subsidized.
Yeah.
That's all that, the whole complex.
Those used to be really nice when they were first made. There's 3 floors. 3 fucking floors.
Oh, the unit is 3 floors?
Yeah. Some of them are. Some of them are. I built a little part of it.
Tom's River. And the streets are very, very narrow. Very narrow. In fact, you're not even allowed to park on the street.
They plowed Emerald. They plowed people in too.
Driveway.
Oh, they're not responsible for the cars.
I know.
Out of my driveway, I back up all the way to the other side of the street.
Do you have a brush in the car? Yeah, I'm gonna borrow you for a minute. Not you, borrow your tooth for a minute so I can get out.